If I never write my novel, I'll still live it. I might never get what I wish for, I'll still give it.
Hi, I'm Michelle Vang for Look to the Stars. We're here at Girl Prep. Tell me, what brings you guys here today?
Well, we want to support any kind of a group that works to help young ladies become more empowered in the world and understand more about who they are and who they can be. And we want to encourage that and keep that mojo going. So that's one of the reasons.
And one of the things that this started from was Tawana's daughter, Jenny, as this 10-year-old coming and saying, we want to do something for our age group. And this has turned into something beyond what we all expected, because this little person named Jenny came to us, and she's become creative director and has really put something together that's great for her age group, that allows kids to be able to relate to other kids in their peer group and to experience something different than what they would usually see.
I decided, well, since I like to empower people and help people around the community, around the house, whatever, I just like to help people. I mean, it makes me feel good inside. So I decided to come up with an event for girls my age so that they can learn how to help other people and help themselves.
I'm going to step over because I have two cameras and I could think that hear me in one. So he's stepping over. Security. She crossed the line.
Not everybody has family that nurtures their dreams, so they need outside mentors. They need to hear, I think, real life stories of people that had a big dream, made it happen. I had a lot of obstacles, and I would love to talk to these girls about those obstacles and about the fact that you can overcome them and you can dream big and you can make things happen.
I'm here for the Girl Prep, and I'm so happy and honored to be here right now because it's so nice to give back to people that are hurting, actually, and I get through that too, and it's really nice to get to encourage these girls and build up their self-esteem and let them know that they're wonderful, they are beautiful, and they are great.
I'm here because Girl Prep is a really cool it's a really cool event that it lets girls know that even though they don't think it's all about building self-confidence. It's all about realizing that every girl has in themselves the potential to be successful, and I think it's really important. I think it's really cool that everybody's here, and yeah, it's really exciting.
I can't wait to meet all the girls and just have them meet an actor and see, because I have kids ask me sometimes, like, I've got a fan letter that says, are you mean in real life? And I was like, oh my god, and I was like, no, because I know sometimes you have this misconception about actors or musicians or whatever, and a lot of us are really down to earth and cool, so I can't wait to meet them, and hopefully if I was a role model to any of them, just tell them how important it is just to be yourself, and be crazy. No, just be yourself and be down to earth and just do whatever you want to do, no matter how hard it is or what anybody else tells you. Because, growing up in the industry, people are constantly telling you, no, that looks bad, that looks horrible, and you just can't listen to it,
And this whole thing's like, about like believing in yourself and that your dreams can come true. And like Mandy and I love this whole ordeal, because the thing is, like, we once started off as nobody, and our dream's always been to sing, so it's really cool to finally see that dream coming true. And we want to prove that things can happen, and if you work hard and as they said, think big, be big, you can do whatever. So it's great.
Nice speech there.
Thank you.
She's speaking for both of you.
And I'm just so happy with how this is turning out. It's really surpassed anything that I'd even dreamed of, and we just did our first workshop. I'm still sweating from it. We had 125 girls in the workshop, and I think they really had a blast.
For more charity news, go to looktothestars.org.